Jai Hind everyone, welcome to online classes of Sri Ram Public School. I am your SST teacher and we are revising our chapter 4 and we continue our topic life in the Peninsular Plateau. The plateau converts a number of South Indian states, the region of famous for its unique lifestyle and rich culture. The life of Peninsular Plateau is famous for its unique lifestyle and rich culture. The variation of the Peninsular Plateau can be divided into four regional divisions. According to region, according to place, there are four divisions of Peninsular Plateau. First is northwestern part, second is northeastern part, third is the central part, and fourth is southern part. First, we will discuss the northwestern part. Northwestern part, the soil and rock in this region are of volcanic origin. Maharashtra in the main state in the region. This region rock soil is volcanic origin. It is made by volcanic origin and Maharashtra is the main state in the region. Food. The people of this region mostly eat rice, fish, pulses and vegetables. Dress of this region. The traditional people in Maharashtra wear dhoti, shirt and red turban. Occupation of this region. Most of the people in this region are engaged in farming. They mostly grow crops like cotton, sugarcane, and groundnuts. Festivals. Festivals celebrated in this area are Ganesh Chaturthi is the main festival of this region and people here are very fond of music and drama. Folklore in the Maharashtra is known as Tamasha and people like to enjoy music and drama and main festival of this region is Ganesh Chaturthi. The northeastern part. The north part, this part of this peninsular plateau includes the Chhattisgarh and parts of Odisha, West Bengal and Jharkhand. Occupation. The region is a fertile basin of river Mahanadi. The farming is the main occupation and it is called the rice bowl of India because rice grows in plenty here. Odisha is famous for its textile, weaving and silver work. Rice and jute are the main crops of the West Bengal and Jharkhand is rich in minerals like coal, iron ore and mica. Food. People of this region mostly eat rice, pulses and vegetables and dress of this region dhoti kurta is the common dress of men and women wear saris. Now we will discuss central part. The central part of the peninsular plateau includes the state of Madhya Pradesh and it is often called heart of India. Madhya Pradesh is known for its forest reserve. The climate of this region is hot throughout the year. Gond tribe or the indigenous people of occupied a major part of forest land of central India. Occupation. Occupation of this region. Farming is the main occupation of the people. Some people also work in mine. A large number of people are engaged in other occupations. Main occupation of this area is farming and the large number of people are engaged in other occupations also. The diamond mines at Panna are well known. The new diamond field of Bundelkhand and at Bundar is also very promising. Food. The main food of the people is wheat, rice, pulses and vegetables. The south dress. The men wear dhoti and shirt, and whereas women wear saris and blouses. The southern part. The southern part of the peninsular plateau consists of the state of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Karnataka. The chief language of this region are Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, and Kannada. Food. People of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana are fond of spicy diet. Pickles, chutney are the essential part of their diet. Rice, fish, idli, dosa, sambar, and rasam are the main dishes of the Kerala. Coconut is used in a variety of ways in their food. Idli, vada, ragi, and fish are popular dishes of Karnataka. Rice, appam, uttapam, fish, chettinad, chicken are the some of the popular dishes of Tamil Nadu. Dress. Men generally wear dhoti kurta and angavastra, whereas women wear saris and blouse. Occupation. Most of the people in the Kerala are farmer or fishermen. Rice is the main food crop of this state. Andhra Pradesh is the leading producer of tobacco in India. In Karnataka, farmers grow sugarcane, ragi, cotton, oilseed, and groundnuts. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people in Tamil Nadu. Rice, maize, cotton, pulses, coffee, rubber, and cardamom are the some of the important crops of this region. Festivals. People of the Peninsular Plateau are fond of music and dance. Kuchipudi is the famous dance style of Andhra Pradesh, and Ugadi is the one of the important festivals celebrated here. And that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Stay home.